Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make these tiny little paper tassels. I thought this is super cute and tiny. Let me measure how big it is. So it's less than an inch. So I got these. Okay, so I'm gonna fess up. I know it's a no spend month for March for me, but Amalia, I'm sorry. I will try my very best again because I should not have gone to Tuesday morning, but I saw Daniela Hayes' video and so I went to find this amazing goodness. And so I told myself if I cannot find the bow punch, then I'm not gonna buy anything, but then it was there. So yes, I did. I bought this. I bought the tape, and I bought a paper clip. So it's not a lot, but still it should have been a no spend month, but I'm gonna try again. Anyways, so yes, I worked this weekend, so that's why I didn't have any videos for you guys, but I had a day to recover from my weekend on, and so yes, I am back, and we're gonna talk about how to make these mini tiny tassels. So the regular tassels, the regular paper clips are this big. Let me show you a sample. So this is the normal paper clips that I make. This paper clip is about 2 inches. So that's the regular. And this is what we're going to be making today because I have a smaller, it's less than an inch. Sorry about the noise, guys, because my children have play dates with their friends, so they get excited and sometimes I can't control the noise. But bear with me, you know how it is to have children. Anyway, so this is the regular and this is what we're going to make, super tiny. And it has some mini tassels. So I'm using the Gather collection from Maggie Holmes. And in the paper, they have these tickets. So we're going to use the tickets to make, these tiny little tassels. Okay, so the first thing I do, let's choose the ticket that we're going to use. So we're going to make the tassels first because the paper clip is just easy. You just fold it onto the paper clip and glue it. So we're not going to spend a lot of time on that. We probably will be decorating this after we make the tassel. But we're going to make the tassel really quick. I thought it was so tiny and cute. And so that the length from here to here will be the length from here to here for your tassel. So if you want your tassel to be this tall, you can use this. If you want, you know, you can adjust accordingly. And then it doesn't have to be a ticket. It's just these are the things that I already have cut up. So I figured let's just do that. So I'll just use this the green one. So I'm going to start with just putting adhesive. So decide which one is your bottom and which one is your top. So I'm going to use this as top and bottom. And turn it around. Sorry about the noise, guys. I already told them that I'm going to be making a video, but I don't think that helps. Because if you're playing Fortnite, apparently it's too exciting. Yeah, that's my son. And so you're going to put your tape. This is the perfect tape. This is 1/8 of an inch. And so I just put it right there, right? As you can see. And then I have, I get a sliver, like seriously, just a sliver of paper. So when I say a sliver, it means like this thin. Right there. Or you can use the lace like this. So you can use this or this. But if you don't have any lace, then you can use paper scraps. So after this, I cut it up. So after you're done cutting it up, you remove your adhesive, right? You remove the other part of the double-sided tape, take it off. And then after that, I normally put it, I normally put my strip of paper, so you have to have it face the front, because this is what you want, facing it. And then you start rolling. You start rolling it. I just use my fingers. Even if it's small, I just use my fingers. Right there. It's just hard initially, but after you're rolling it, you know, you can churn out a lot of this while you're watching your favorite show, honestly. I've been watching, so I have Amazon Prime, and I've been watching Hannibal. Okay, comment down below what do you think about that show if you're watching it. I am on season 2, and I love it so very much. Let me know what you think down below if you are a fan of Hannibal, the TV series. So just keep on rolling it. Pretty much that's what we're doing. Okay, I'm rolling it. I love that show because it's so unexpected. So I feel like after I finish the show, I'm gonna watch I'm gonna rewatch The Silence of the Lambs. I'm gonna rewatch Hannibal Rising. I'm gonna rewatch Red Dragon. And they're all available in Amazon Prime if you have Amazon Prime. So I like the gold ribbon. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm using double-sided tape. The only thing I don't like about this is it just frays so very much. So I use 1/8 because this is the perfect size for double-sided tape for my 1/8. See, it frays. Every time I try to remove the double-sided tape, it just frays like crazy. That's why I started using the paper. We'll see. If it doesn't work, we're going to go back to the paper, because I use paper for the other side. Okay, so that's not working, so don't do that. Next, I'm just getting this small sheet of paper. It depends on how thick you want it, actually. Let me see. Let me see if it fits, though. I'm going to start doing it if it doesn't fit. So this idea I got from Paige Evans, the genius Paige Evans, when she made a video when she was actually making paper tassels, and the paper tassels that she did was bigger and longer. I'm just doing this simply because I have the tickets already, and I was doing this in the car while I was at the carpool lane. So I figured, since I haven't done a video in a few days, why don't I make mini paper tassels to add to my paper clip. I thought it would be so cute having that small mini. This is the tiniest tassels I've ever seen. Look how small that is. And I think it's super, super cute. And then you fray it like that. Look how cute that is, you guys. Wouldn't that be so cute? And you know, if you have gold paper, it just depends on what kind of paper you have. And so we're gonna put it, this one, this is the ribbon that you get from this punch. Don't you think that is the cutest thing ever? And then we're gonna put this right here or on the left side. So I just put it there, and voila, you have your own super tiny paper tassels. Then let me see if we can decorate this a little bit further, because it looks plain to me. Or I can make it shorter maybe. Yeah, there you go. Isn't that sweet and tiny? So I'm going to be making a lot of mini paper clips, and I'm going to show you at the end of the video what I made. So this is what we have so far. Look, this is my regular bow paper clip, and look how tiny this is compared to. Isn't that super cute? Super tiny. And then these are the tiny little super tiny paper tassel with the bow using this punch. So I suggest when you go to your Tuesday morning, go grab it. And then I made some mini envelopes. And this one is much smaller, and this one is a paper clip envelope. You see how tiny it is? It is 1.5 inches. So small. Cute. Look how tiny that is. And this is the mini. Cute, right? So I made super tiny embellishments. And then I have a lot of tassels that I made last night. And I'm probably going to put a bow in all of them. And then this one is a paper clip with a mini tassel on the side. Right there. So tiny. This one is also a small rosette. I was just experimenting on it. And then here's a small paper clip with just a punch flower. I think those are so precious. This is a lot of detail, lots of layering pieces. And then this is a fussy cut flower from the collection. I used the Gather collection by Maggie Holmes. So tiny. This is my regular standard size. Look how big this is compared to this. So I thought that will be something cute to make. So we're gonna make one on camera. I'm just using my bone folder to kind of break up the fibers. And then I kind of fold it right there. It's so small, I feel like I'm gonna need this to kind of hold it together because it's so tiny. So we're gonna use our glue gun right there. I hope you're able to see that. And then we're gonna hold it just to let it dry a little bit. So cute and tiny. And then this is the front part. So we're gonna put one tiny little drop of glue right there. The good thing about this puncher is one punch will give you one bow. Compared to this one, you have to punch it twice, but still it's very convenient. So right there, and then another dollop of glue. And it's so easy. These things are so easy to make, especially having the punch is so convenient. I really feel that it's they made it so convenient for you to paper craft. Right there. Look how pretty and tiny that is. This would be so cute to attach to this one. Yeah, let's attach that. Right there. Yeah, we have play dates happening in my house right now, so everybody's having a good time. How cute. Cute and simple. You're just using pretty much scraps of paper. Seriously, guys, it's so cost effective, economical, just having these. Anyway, I just wanted to show you these tiny little embellishments that I was able to create this afternoon. I hope it inspired you to use your scrap stash. Anyway, this is Christian signing off. Have a wonderful crafty day, guys. Bye!